Hey everyone, it's the Vegan Foodie here. Grand Rising to all of you. If this is your first time checking out my YouTube channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell notification so every time I drop a video, you won't miss it. So today is a day because people are always asking me, what is it you eat in a day? So today is my daily vlog of what I eat in a day. So stay tuned because I'm going to take you through my whole day of everything that I eat. I'm about to make me up some stuff right now so I can go walk Roxy and go work out. So stay tuned. Welcome everyone. So people always ask me, what do vegans eat? What do you have for breakfast? What do you have for lunch? What do you have for dinner? What type of water are you drinking? All of that kind of stuff. I'm going to show you a full day of what I actually eat in a day. And everything is 100% vegan. I'm going more into just whole foods, plant-based. So you'll get an idea of what I actually consume as I go into my whole foods plant-based diet or just lifestyle change or whatever. I'm super excited about this because you guys know that, I'm really working on myself, my money, and my brand in the month of September. Hopefully you guys are taking on this same mindset, working on yourself, your money, and your brand, and making sure that you're making some changes that's actually beneficial for you. So listen, let's get into it, okay? So, and I know you see the honey. Vegans aren't supposed to have honey, but when I have my herb tea, I have to have honey or agave or something. So forgive me, vegans. Forgive me, please. But anyway, let's get into my morning protein shake. So I have Vega Protein Simple. I have a banana. And I have almond milk. So I want to make me a quick protein smoothie before I get out in the streets. So stay tuned. So I am done with my walk with Roxy. So I'm headed to the gym. But before I do, I have to go to Whole Foods and fill this up. I literally drink a gallon of alkaline water a day. And I went and purchased this glass bottle for $10 from Whole Foods so that I can just literally just fill it up every day. I won't have to keep buying bottles of water. I clean it and then I go refill it. So another thing that I eat in a day is I drink a gallon of alkaline water, and I suggest you get it in a glass bottle. And just like that, I got water, so I'm gonna head to the register. And guess what? The beauty of it is I only pay 29 cents for a gallon of alkaline water. How dope is that? So I told you guys that today is a daily vlog of what I eat in a day. So I'm about to go to Subway. I seen someone in my building with a Subway, and I was like, I should get a Subway sandwich. So let's go have lunch at Subway. 6, yeah. Let me get the vegan patty. Veggie patty? Yep, the veggie patty. Yep, let me get it toasted. Can I get green peppers and onions and no cheese? Can I get green peppers, onions, and oil before you toast it? And then some oil on it. Yep. And then toast it twice, please. One more. Well, no, that's fine. That's fine. Yeah. And then let me get spinach, black olives, and let me get some more oil. A little bit of vinegar.
Vinegar.
Just a little bit. And then let me get salt and pepper and oregano. And then let me get a little bit of Subway vinaigrette. That's it. And then can I get it cut in half?
Chips and green too?
No.
That's it, right?
Yep, that's it. Thank you. So look at this. It looks so good. So this is my lunch. I'm about to have lunch and have a glass of alkaline water with this. So stay tuned for more of my daily eats, what I eat in a day. So dinner time is finally here. So I am about to have green lentils, topped with sauteed red onions and green peppers. And this is like a truly plant-based diet, or plant-based meal rather. And it looks so good, so I can't wait to get into it. So stay tuned, because I am about to eat. So it is the end of the night, and I am about to wrap it up, kind of wind down, look at the charts. I'm getting ready to prep to trade in the London session. I trade Forex pairs, so I'm about to start analyzing the charts and going through that. But before I do, the last thing that I have, because this is a what I ate in a day vlog, is my tea. So I'm having, this is comfrey root. And this is chickweed herbs. Now, I got these herbs, if you haven't seen it before in the previous video, I got these from a root doctor in Jamaica. And me and my friend had got it because we had fibroids in the past and was taking Serapatese that was working really well. But we wanted to try a more holistic approach. So we got these herbs. I actually have these herbs available on my storefront on Amazon. So if you click the link in my bio, then you'll be able to get all of that information. Make sure that you click the link in my bio. I have all the herbs. It's in the must-have herbs. And every herb that I take or anything that I talk about, I'll have it available on my Amazon store. So I'm about to wind down. Make sure you guys stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. If this is your first time checking me out, thank you. See, I got my broke nail. I want to get my nail fixed with Lily sometime this week. I got to wait for it to grow out. It still hurts. But anyway, make sure you guys subscribe to the YouTube channel. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. Good night. I'm out. Peace. So this is a little bonus footage. This is how my tea. I put the herbs in here and boil the water, put it in here, and this is the actual roots. So I have that below. Just wanted to give you guys an idea of when you get the roots. You're like, oh, how do I make it? You can purchase one of these on Amazon, and I'll actually have it added to my storefront, so you can just order it from there. All right, I'm out of here. Good night.